this quick tutorial. We are going to show you that how to trim sound on TikTok before recording. It's super easy. We will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, how to trim sound on TikTok before recording? Click on the TikTok app. Now click on plus mark and click on the video mode. You have to add sound before recording. Click on the add sound and add any of the sound which you want, like this scissor option is for trimming. Select and video which you want to trim option, click on done and start to make video or start to make recording on trimming sound. Click on this, click on the red check mark and you can see your video is being trimmed on your sound before recording. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thank you.